Assalamu alaikum. In this program we will learn simple mathematical operations. So in previous video we will discuss there are four basic mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now we are doing addition method in this. In this video you will also learn how to create variable and how to assign values in a variable. When you assign values in a variable, this process is called initialization. So initialization means you are like directly putting the value, so it will generate the direct output on your screen. So to print the output on screens, we simply use the print command and two variables, and in between them there is a addition operation which is symbolizes as plus sign. To run your program, first you have to debug your program. Once you debug, just go in run command or press F5 from your keyboard.